I was very Scrooge-like with it, you know. And I'm like, don't make any more candles because I need glaze. A quick recap. If you look over there on the shelves, you'll see what we call cores. They're made from molds, which you can see on the shelves below them. So that we start ahead of time, 2-day, 2-part, very boring process. Then we take that, and I just spent 3 minutes layering liquid wax on top of it. So put it in the wax, put it in the water, put it in the wax, put it in the water. Now I have about 8 minutes to cut it before it cools. This one is going to be this color family. Once it cools, I can't heat it back up, so I'm going to start carving and talking. The layers of wax, when I apply them and I dip them, they're just paper thin and they're translucent with the exception of the white. The white is pigmented with an opaque factor. So because the layers are so thin and translucent, I can stack colors. So I don't have any of those colors in there, but what I did was I blended 3 or 4 colors to get it. Yeah. So I used tan, yellow, white, black, brown, clear to kind of mute the color. So now I'm going to carve back through the layers that I add. So I'm carving deep into the core so I can expose the core so the light will be filtered through. Very slowly. It takes a lot of heat to liquefy this. This is not the same kind of wax that you're familiar with in jar candles. That's a low melt point wax. They call it container wax. It has to be in a jar. But I'm going to hold it up to the light. Can you see how the light? Isn't that pretty? So that's what happens when you light it.